It is now time for Behind the Stream, powered by Ecamm. Brent, I think we have a great guest today to be able to show his setup.
Yeah, I mean, this guy's doing everything top notch, top level, quit his job to start making content and using Ecamm as a profession. So let's really take a good chance to look behind the stream.
So we're about to go behind the stream with none other than Kirk R. Nugent. How are you doing, sir? Let's see this wonderful setup. I love it. I love it. You have it going already.
Thank you, man. Listen, I'm glad to be. I'm gonna go get rid of this other one, but I'm so glad to be able to show it. So this is behind the stream, behind the scenes, right? This is right. You're getting a chance to see the camera that is directly behind me. It's in this shot, in the main shot.
Let me see. There we go.
In this shot, it's right there next to that light. So I'm going to come back to that shot. It is a webcam, but I want to walk through some of these pieces here. So I've got the light here on top here with the newer Octagon egg crate diffuser or softbox. It's the Godox SL-60W on a C stand. I have a couple of these Dazzne C-clamp desk mounts. I've got two of them on the desk here. One is holding the Sony ZV-E10, and then I do have my A6400 on a tripod, off away from the desk a little bit.
Tell me the lenses that you have on them.
So on the ZV-E10 we have the 30 millimeter. There's the 30, right? There's the 30 millimeter. On the A6400 we have the 16 millimeter. Both of them are Sigma. And then of course on the back is just a webcam. So, but yeah, another softbox on the other side. Us darker
light.
Darker skinned brothers, we need as much light as we can get. This is a flexi spot adjustable height desk, so I can raise it up and stand. That is really great, especially when you have these desk mounts with your camera on it, because it raises the camera, of course, with you. So that's really great.
How do you handle the light when you raise the desk? Is the Godox, is it attached to your desk?
No, I do have to manually raise the light up when I raise the desk. But then I have a screen up there on the top corner, and I do use that from time to time as a monitor to monitor what I have going on, and that also helps me with eye focus, not having to change my vision from where I'm looking to my camera. So that does help me with that as well. But yes, a little bit of soundproofing on the side here. Got a light on one of these. This is a Philips Hue light with the yellow bulb in it. It really does help to bring some color back in. Whenever you fill the space with that LED white light, you want to fill back in with some color as well. So yeah, these are the things.
I see you got a big Stream Deck there.
I do have a 32 key, man. You got to have it. It's a must. And then
that's one thing I don't have. I don't have a Stream Deck.
Oh, you don't? What do you have? The what is this? The Rodecaster Pro.
Yep, I do have that.
The Rodecaster Pro, and of course this is the Shure MV7X on a Rode PSA1 arm. So yeah, I have the MV7X. I have the MV7. This is the mic that
What kind of computer are you using to power it? What computer?
I do have the Mac Mini M1 8 gig.
Yeah.
There you go. That's what I got.
Yes.
That's our streaming computer, Kirk. That's the only thing I use it for.
Apple needs to change the name to this is the Ecamm PC, the Ecamm model.
Right.
Yeah, it is really great. It does the job. But I mean, listen, I don't just stream with it. I do some light video editing on it as well.
Gotcha.
So that is I love this. I love the setup. I do not move this stuff. One of the things I always say to folks is you want to have a space where you can sit down and create. Right? You want to be able to sit down and create. You don't want to have to. Let me tweak. No. Like I am in the comments on the stream show, and Bryant says, "Hey Kirk, why don't you come on camera?" I run upstairs, tell Google to turn on my lights, and then I'm ready to stream because everything here is set. Right. That's when
Jeff Bezos calls. Big. When Jeff Bezos calls and said, "Hey, I need you on CNN in 5," you're ready to go.
Ready to go.
Let's go.
What about graphics packages? What are you using to make all your overlays and scenes and spice things up?
I'm definitely using, well, Ecamm is my base. Like that's the what's they say mission control, right? Ecamm is that. But I'm a big fan of Canva, and I'm not sponsored by them at all. I listen, their affiliate program is absolute trash. You can tell them I said that because I don't. but I love Canva. I absolutely love that platform. I love some of the things that they're adding onto it. So I do a lot of my design in Canva. So if you see my show, you're like, where in the world is he doing all that stuff? I'm doing a lot of it in Canva, and then the rest of it with Ecamm. So with text overlays and different other things that we can do. The 3.9 update was a game changer for me. But I will say I had to go back in the lab and rethink a lot of stuff because there were things that I was doing in Canva that I don't have to do anymore. Right. And so it did shift my workflow, but I was happy for it. So I've redone and retooled some things. But yeah, those are my main go-tos are Canva and Ecamm in terms of overlays, design, all the stuff that I'm doing.
I love it. I love it. Thank you so very much, Kirk. Listen, guys, this is the Behind the Stream powered by Ecamm. As you can tell, we're doing this. I hope it encouraged you today. Maybe you found a piece that Kirk has showed that you can add to your setup.